Right.
Thank you. Sitting, man, gassing this thing up, watching a purr.
Yeah, start nigga, two-time, Buddha, start. Yeah, we rollin' in them Chevys. Yeah, we rollin' in them Chevys. Yeah, that pink box Chevy, that blue box Chevy, that white box Chevy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Got that pink box Chevy, that blue box Chevy, that white box Chevy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Yeah, you know we heavy. Yeah, hey, I said I be pulling up in these cities.
Yo, what's good with the guy? We back with another video, the guys. All right, man, we about to go ahead and vacuum this damn car out, man. I'm finally getting a chance to do it. So y'all just bear with me, guys. We about to do a little jogging footage today, man. Let y'all know what we got. Let y'all know this is how we're gonna start the video out. So yeah, man, she's real dirty. Every day I say I'm gonna do this, I never do it. But I was like, you know what? It's time to get out here and grind. So that's what we're about to do, man. We finna start with the interior. All right, man, we ain't do nothing too special. We ain't do nothing too special, guys. Y'all see all this junk on here, man. That damn tree. Get tired of these trees, man. But anyway, we about to just sprinkle off, wash it off with some water real quick, and go from there. But like I said, man, she clean. She really just need a little, you know what I'm saying, a little shampoo and stuff like that. That's all she needs. That's it. She went in the house. Oh, God damn. Oh. You know, waste on mine. I sprayed myself. Hold it real quick. No, just hold it. Hold it. I gotta wipe the camera off. I don't know how the hell that happened. Dang. Probably so. Hey man, we just want to spread out real quick. Alright man, so yeah, we're about to do just a little quick little driving, man. That's all, man. Nothing major. We just wanted to give y'all a little clip of it, you know, stuff like that. So we just rinsed off. We didn't want to do nothing too major, especially the rain. I be hating these damn things. These damn things, man. All right, guys. So check out now. Like I said, she'll look clean. We'll get the shampoo later. That little piece on there, we gotta still put it on. We'll get that soon. So now you can go shut the doors real quick. The front door, and then all right, let's wake up. First start this morning. First start. All right. So we're gonna have my girls in there with me today, so about to do a little quick video. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we got to head out, guys. Stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Turn that post notifications on. Let's get it. Sitting, man, gassing this thing up, watching a purr. You know what I'm saying? Nothing much, man. Nothing, just something slight. Alright guys, this road here got a lot of hills and humps and stuff. Man, they building stuff over there too. God damn. They building houses all the way. Man, they doing it. I don't know what it is, but these houses starting to just take over now. Man, they already started on here. Last time I came through here, wasn't even a house here. I see they already done started. Only thing about them, they ain't gonna have no backyard like that. They ain't gonna be close together. Oh, it's a bottle. you just get by the yellow pole, or you can get on that side. Just gotta do a driver footage, me pulling on up.
What noise?
Huh?
What noise?
You hear it?
The.
Keep it on.
What noise?
Still recording.
Right.
Thank you.
You talking about that screeching sound?
Huh?
You talking about that screeching sound?
Yeah.
I heard that.
Sounds too good, baby.
Anything come, but you gotta protect her. Gotta rub your hands up on her. Gotta say, babe, I love ya. Gotta stay away. Gotta be 50-50 in this thing. Gotta understand nothing gonna be the same. When you cuddling in the bed at night, gotta rub your arms around her tight. Then you can't forget to say goodnight. The next morning when you get up, everything is right. The shit you do for her, she do the same thing to you. The only thing you gotta do, man, is stay true. They gonna be some times she miss you, but the whole time she love you. She gonna kiss all, touch all up over you. She holding me, yeah. She's holding me, yeah. She's holding me, yeah. She's holding me, yeah. Said she wanna be by my side, but she holding.
Alright guys, what y'all think, guys? Comment below, let me know. Just want to do a little driving footage. Nothing too major. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too major, man. Gotta get that content. Damn, them damn rims got dull quick. Gotta put some soap on this bit. Y'all see how shiny it can get though. But you know, I did just sprinkle it with the water hose, so. Now I got a little scrubbing coming on the other side, but what we're gonna do, I gotta take care of that. So it can be anything, but we're gonna take the top back off. You see how squatting she is down in there. But we're gonna take that top back off and go from there. But in the meantime, man, we just want to come out the house, do a little driving footage of the car. Let y'all know, man, there is no excuse to not get out here and grind. Y'all doing YouTube, you know what I'm saying? You gotta just get out here and find something to motivate you, not only that, creating content. So that's what we want to see. And if y'all new to the channel, y'all can see the 88 Chevy Caprice we riding in, the one that we basically fixed up. Y'all can hear how she sound. Y'all can get a better look and the turn radius and all that. So that's what we got. So right now we about to head back to the crib. Y'all comment below what y'all want me to do next. If y'all want to see more footages of this car, the other car, it don't matter. Y'all just let me know what y'all want to see footage of, and what do y'all want me to do as far as the footage on which car and all. Yeah, just that one side back there doing that, that's all. And guys, she shift out like she's supposed to. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but she shift out and all, man. You know, she told me wheels. See, I'm the type, like, when I get these cars, I don't try to dog them out, especially when it got like the stock motor. I don't try to like just floor it. I just like to ease in it and let it build up, and then I go. Cause riding on 8s, man, it can be bad for the transmission and it cause your motor to work harder. Now I advise, you know, what I did before, and the truck clean. What I did before, I put some gears in my rear end one time, but when I had the 305, it helped it out a little bit. but then I put a shift kit in my transmission. But I suggest, man, something like this, what I'll probably do, man, I'll probably, of course, do the 373s or whatever y'all want to do. If y'all just want to cruise, y'all can do the 410, so it'll pull more, be almost like it's on factory. So we definitely gonna do that. So y'all just stay tuned. And they building the house. Y'all stay tuned to the channel, guys, and we about to head back to the crib. So like I said, man, don't forget to comment below. We just out here grinding. You know what I'm saying? Just gotta put the work in. That's all, man. Just a little motivating. So we grind though, man. We ain't worried. All right, guys. Catch y'all back. Make sure you get the back tire. They gonna be like, man, it's wet. I know, y'all. I know. Like on the one tire spin though. I know it was wet. That's why I can do it. But let me tell y'all something. This car really got power because I did it before, even when it was dry. I ain't gonna lie to you. Even when it's dry, this car gonna spin regardless. So y'all wanna see it, y'all definitely can comment and I can show y'all and I can prove to y'all. This thing will spin even on the dry pavement. Now I had got to record because I want to see the power it got.